Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I want to do a video walkthrough on this 340 Sundancer. It's a year model 2007. Stepping on board, you've got this like decking material that is down in the cockpit. Feels really good on your feet. And instead of like a vinyl or a carpeting, they put this decking material down. Got a nice U-shaped seating area, custom table. Got one little split in the seam there, but otherwise the upholstery on this boat is in really good shape. Got a wet bar coming around. Got two seats at the helm. Nice vented window. Excuse me, at this wet bar. Flip back there real quick while I'm here. You do have a refrigerator, some storage behind the wet bar. Now back onto these helm seats. You got two captain seat, companion seat, and then a guest seat over to the port side. Very nice seating arrangement. Flipping around, boat has a mooring cover. See the snaps going to the gunnel there. 07, they did this rigid aluminum support for your canvas top. You got a motorized vent there, so when you do have the canvas enclosure, which this boat does have, that you can get some air on the warmer days. At the helm, always get asked, does it have a bow thruster? Absolutely, this boat is equipped with a bow thruster. Got roughly 340 hours on the motors. Updated Garmin electronics. This boat is equipped with radar as well. You can see the dome from the exterior photos that we're going to be putting up. Step over, get a shot this way. Right here, give you a shot of the helm. 07, this boat is in really good shape. Popping down to the compartment, to the cabin, I should say. Got a liner on the floor, custom bedding and mattress. Storage, additional pots and pans there. Newer refrigerator. Solid surface counter, cooktop and sink below, microwave oven. This sofa does pull out, convert into a berth, as well as the back area, which is currently used for storage. But I just want to pop back here, give you an idea. This is polycarbonate, and it is very clear. The windows up top are in great shape on this boat. Cabin. Some more of that material in the head, vacuum flush head. Guys, this is Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got a nice 270, excuse me, a nice 2007 340 Dancer. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Give us a call if you have any questions.